Amazon down. Hello guys, and welcome to this channel. So this is a question right now. I know that many of you have this problem right now. So if you try to go to Google and then type in Amazon down, and then if you go to down detector, you'll see, if you scroll down, that many users have reported some problems right now. And the most problems are to the website, 71%, and to the app, 27%. And then if we scroll down, a few seconds ago, this guy says, "We're sorry, an error has occurred. Please reload this page and try again." So this is what they say. John says, "This is weird. I feel like Amazon doesn't go down very often." So guys, you have to know that you are not the only one who has this problem. Amazon will be back soon. They will solve this problem, so you just have to wait, and you'll have to know that you are not the only one, and the solution is just to wait. So comment down below if you too have this problem. You can like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye.